even if I wanted to go. My schedule wouldn't allow it. 7 o'clock, wrestle with myself loathing. I'm booked.
Okay, that's not the video I should put on as my intro. So let's try again, and this time more cheerful and happy.
하기 싫어. 다들 안녕하세요.
That's more like it. 2 days ago I uploaded this video here and this got overwhelming 1.5k views, and asked my viewers to suggest me what color palette I should use, and this got 4 comments. This viewer suggested me to use red, yellow, green and black, so I'm gonna use this color palette to complete my drawing, because you know my low IQ brain isn't working. So I decided to record the whole process of it and make a whole 10-minute videos that nobody will watch. Anyway, I'm proud of this bad decision because good decision I made isn't working either. So my good viewer asked me to draw tan body for this illustration, so I'm gonna go with that, because why not? I'm more than happy to do that. I like that idea too. I agree with you, whoever you are, my follower. And if you asked me why is it messy, because I'm leaving it messy, just like my life. So let's talk about this drawing more. This is not just a man fighting a snake. This is me fighting my sanity and asking myself, why am I doing this? So I thought, let me draw something powerful, something symbolic, something that screams woman versus world. And I ended up drawing a half-naked man tangled up in a snake, because clearly I'm doing very great, sweetie. And this snake, it's not just a snake, it's my life, it's rent. It's the, hey queen, your art is so good, I'd totally buy it if I'm not broke. Every time I post my art on Instagram, it buries it like it's hiding a body. I pour 12 hours into shading and blending, and the algorithm goes like, oh no babe, you get 3 likes. One is your mother, one is your own burner account, and one is probably by mistake. Meanwhile, someone's daughter just smeared ketchup on an iPad and somehow it has 1.3 million views and Redbubble store. I am single because I was born single, so I am single since then, and my sleep schedule is broken because, well, it has never been fixed. I'm emotionally attached to fictional character, that's why I'm drawing it, because real humans really scares me. I really don't want to put my foot outside my house. It really scares me. I am going to stay in the house, in my room, as much as I can. Even if century passes, I'll be here in my room. Sometimes I think my art is actually good, and then I look at my analytics. It's like, congratulations, your video reached 4 people and one of them was your cat accidentally clicking on it. Everyone says do what you love, don't give up, and your art is good, keep going, keep working hard and harder. How much harder? Babe, I'm doing it. But also I'm unemployed, emotionally unstable, and dangerously close to turning into that snake that I'm drawing right now. Also, shout out to my toxic relationship with productivity. I study 10 minutes, take rest for 10 hours, then draw for 3 hours, then study again for 10 minutes. I haven't had a proper conversation in like 3 months or maybe more. I just whisper to myself that, oh, that line is good, I draw pretty good, to myself, and sip a cold coffee like I'm in a French indie film no one asked for. Let's make the process little faster because it's going too slow and you're getting bored, I know. And if you're watching this still, oh my god, you're a real follower, and thank you so much for. You know what though, maybe this snake is a metaphor for the grind, and the man is just me, shortless, spiraling, I'm wearing short though, don't take it literally. But the snake that is spiraling, it is my problem. It's like me solving one and creating 50 more. Recently I'm so into drawing snake that I'm drawing it everywhere and anywhere. Look at all these ones. And obviously this gigantic one. Alright, thank you for tolerating me this far and I hope you did not enjoy it. Even if you won't watch my videos again, I'll post it again and hope you will click on it accidentally and watch it, the whole process. Thank you.